Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? And I hope you're all well. Welcome to my channel, and we're going to discover today AscendEX, especially that they have some nice promotions going on, so we're going to go through them and see what's it all about. But basically AscendEX, or formerly BitMax, is a global digital asset financial platform founded by a group of Wall Street quantitative trading veterans in 2018. So as a centralized exchange, AscendEX offers trading services across over 200 trading pairs across cash, margin and futures products. And AscendEX is now providing crypto earning products including stacking and DeFi yield farming for mass users. So it primarily lists IEOs, OMIs, SRM, UOS, FIDA, Stake, FIO, and other such superb tokens. So platforms users can DeFi yield farming stablecoin USDC or USDT for 20% APR by just one click, and that's absolutely fantastic. We are here now in the DeFi, in the project list, the DeFi yield farming, and we can see the estimated annualized yield or the APR, for example. So we have all sorts of different yields. As you guys can see, the yield optimization vault with Convex and MIM is a new one. You get 205% approximate annualized yield, and that does sound absolutely fantastic. It's only one click away, so you can go ahead and deposit it super easy. But also things like the curve to USDT, you deposit asset is USDT, and you get CRV and USDT at a 10% annual yield, which is not too bad, to be frank. But yeah, it's a leading global digital asset financial platform. It's building on core values of efficiency, resilience, and transparency, and AscendEX continues the tradition of innovation and the commitment to driving operational excellence, from product design to industry partnership expansion. And we also have an explanation how it all works. We have the lending protocol, the decentralized liquidity pools, and the derivatives protocol. So everything is right in here for you guys. It makes farming really easy with no gas fees, seamless farming experience, maximized yields, and timely distribution, and flexible deposit and withdrawal. So it's driven by its continuous innovative product development and early mover advantage in strategic alignment with the landing projects from DeFi ecosystem. And AscendEX offers trading services across over 200 trading pairs across cash, margin, and futures products. So in particular, margin trading for over 50 tokens in cross assets, and we can actually see that in here with the margin trading. Right there we have the standard and professional, so that's absolutely great. But yeah, 50 tokens in cross assets collateral mode, and future trading in both cross asset and isolated margin mode. So the platform has clearly set itself apart from other competitors as the top tier financial platform with its full integration of cash, margin, futures. We can see the futures right in here, the trending, for example, but also stacking, DeFi mining. So ASD, the platform native utility token, now ranks one of top 100 crypto assets by market capitalization, and AscendEX has ranked top 3 amongst global trading platforms by ROI, but industry research data. We of course have copy trading in here, which could be quite a nice advantage as well. We of course have read that, and we can continue. So we have the copy trade here as well, although it can be a bit risky. You never know how the market will behave, but with a strong control risk in mindset, the AscendEX team have applied traditional financial marketing rigor to the design and development of high performance order marching system, and also the digital asset security management with dynamic combination of hot and cold wallet solutions. So that does sound absolutely fantastic, and the core mission of the platform is to create a robust, secure, and reliable experience for all participants, and a consistent source of liquidity for primary listings and trading offerings. So they have everything figured out for sure. And it's really wise to hoard or deposit your assets to grab the interest in a bear trending market. So we already have seen things like the DeFi yield farming already, and that can give us 20% APR in USDT. But there's also the launch pool, that can give us 200 to 1000 APR, and that does sound absolutely great. AscendEX earning includes all kinds of token stacking, DeFi mining, launch pool with competitive interest rates and friendly user experience that I can definitely agree with. And in July 2021, the AscendEX launched the DeFi yield farming alongside plenty of stacking pools for the earning products, both PC and app available. And through DeFi yield farming, users can easily deposit their USDT and USDT on AscendEX farming pool and grab the popular tokens in USDT, matting, GNO, and CRV from the one-stop mining, saving the on-chain miners endless efforts and gas fees. So by farming with AscendEX, users enjoy the benefit of no gas fees whatsoever and a seamless farming experience in a simple one click. And also in February 2022, they have rolled out the launch pool function, and you can simply gain new tokens at 200 to 1000% APY from depositing your USDT. And doesn't that just sound amazing? Everything is right in here if you would like. There's a launch pool there, and we of course have a different launch pool that we can participate in, for example the FTM or FTRB, and you see the estimated approximate yield, 230 APR and 1431% APR is definitely fantastic to see. You don't see that kind of numbers that often. But yeah, it also has some primary listings. We can also buy it crypto with credit or debit, or via third parties as a market, as a trade, where we can convert, cash trade, and margin trade as well with the futures, with trading futures and copy trading in the finance with the AscendEX earn, launch, put, lucky draw, dot slot function, and the auctions. So all is here basically, and there's even more services to it with latest activity, reward center, help center, ASD, investment multiple card, airdrop multiple card, and point card right here. So yeah, all is here. And yeah, there's also the margin futures and stack asset cross collateral available. So let's maybe start. Let's actually get our hands on the margin trading. Let's go for standard for now. You can get up to 25x leverage for more than 50 tokens with all assets cross collateral, and the stacking collateral, and with the stacking assets that can be used as margin and future trading collateral, lifting your assets efficiently, and plenty of stacking assets are marked as minus S, which at the same time it can be used as margin collateral. So that does sound pretty fantastic. So if you have DOT, you can transfer it into a margin wallet and stake it. Then you can use 97% plus of your stacked DOT as margin collateral, enjoying 10% APY at the same time you leverage trading it. So doesn't that just sound mad? Making the most use out of your assets in DOT. Yeah, so I'm going to link up a video introduction, an interview for you guys in the description, so you guys can check the whole video interview. And that way you will get a bit more explanation about it. But yeah, the main thing that I would like to tell you about is first of all signing in to AscendEX. So this is going your best bet, as you can earn up to 640 USDT as welcome bonus, and who just doesn't want that? But also, not only that, after you get your that welcome bonus, and you can also gain 10% up to 30% APR on USDT and reap your yield in CRV GNO daily. Yeah, so you have everything right in here if you would like to get a bit more familiar with it. There's also the FAQ section, but as mentioned, there's quite a lot of promos going in. And lastly, probably something that I enjoy the most is the Wednesday lucky draw, and I'm sure many of you just love that kind of stuff, you know, getting something, especially on a weekly basis, and there's a draw, and you know that every Wednesday it's your evening with AscendEX, where you see how the lucky draw has happened. If you want anything, you can join to share pooled rewards with over 10,000 US dollars in USDT weekly. There's some rules that you have to follow, of course, how to participate. You just have to register to join this round of the event and execute cash trades for at least 3 to 5 days each week while maintaining a trading daily volume worth 100 USDT or more. So a total of 150 winners will be selected from the lucky draw event to win a share of 10,000 10,000 USDT worth of rewards, and with executing cash trades for at least 5 days while maintaining the daily trading volume worth of 100 USDT or more. To receive 100 USDT, and that's each winner, there will be 50 winners selected from this event. So 50 people will get 100 USDT each, and then when you execute trades for at least 3 days and while maintaining a trading volume of 100 USDT or more, you receive 50 USDT, and that is everyone, and there will be 100 winners, adding up to 10,000 USDT. And I think that is quite a lovely approach to the user and the customer in general. But bear in mind, I'm not a financial advisor of any sort, so all the investing you're doing is at your own risk. Remember about it, be smart and responsible about your funds, and let me know what you think about AscendEX, what features they are providing, if you're already using it, and what you think about all the promotions they are doing, including the 640 USDT welcome bonus, which is just banging, then a 10 to 30% APR on USDT, and refuel yield in CRV and GNO every single day, and then the Wednesday lucky draw, which is something that I'm really fancying, as there is a 10,000 USDT a weekly price pool. So yeah, speak no less of it, and leave a like if you like the video, and subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video. So thank you so much for watching, and bye.